Second, Mahagat Sobhan Chitta. Mahagat is the technical name given to the Rupavachar and Arupavachar Chitta. It is so named because it has achieved a state of concentration. It includes the 15 types of Rupavachar consciousness and 12 types of Arupavachar consciousness. Altogether, 27 types of consciousness. All the Mahagat consciousness are jhanic consciousness. Under each state, the Yogavachar remains absorbed in trance, and hence the three abstinences have no role with them. They remain absent. The Mahagat type of consciousness have been studied from the standpoint of attaining the jhana. The moral resultant and inoperative consciousness of one stage of jhana combined with a similar number of psychic factors. In this way, they form 5 stages of jhana. Each stage is indicative of the moral, resultant and inoperative types of consciousness. The first stage has 3 types of consciousness. The second has also the 3 types of consciousness. The third has the 3 types of consciousness. The fourth has also the 3 types of consciousness. And fifth one has the 15 types of consciousness. 3 Rupavachar and 12 Arupavachar. The psychic factors which combine with each unit of the 5 stages are as below. A. The first stage of jhana. The first stage of Mahagat jhana contains 1 moral, 1 resultant and 1 inoperative types of consciousness. 35 psychic factors combined with them. They are the Aisamana Chetasika, which are 13, Sobhana Chetasikas, Viratis absent, 25 minus 3, that is the 22, and altogether there are 35. Here it may be understood that the 2 illimitables, Karuna and Mudita, never come together. They appear separately. The 3 abstinences are totally absent as there is a full occupation of the mind with the object. The second stage of jhana. The second stage of Mahagat jhana also contains 3 consciousness, namely 1 moral, 1 resultant and 1 inoperative consciousness. With them, there is a combination of 34 psychic factors. Vitak remains absent with this. They are the Aisaman Chetasik, 13 minus 1, 12. Sobhana Chetasikas, Viratis absent, 25 minus 3, 22. Altogether there are 34. See, the third stage of jhana, the third stage of Mahagat jhana has their 3 consciousness, namely moral 1, resultant 1 and 1 inoperative consciousness. There is combination of 33 psychic factors. Vitak and Vichar remain absent. It is seen as below. Aisaman Chetasik, 13 minus 2, 11. Sobhana Chetasikas, Viratis absent, 25 minus 3, 22. Altogether 33. D. The 4th stage of jhana. The 4th stage of Mahagat jhana comprises with 3 types of consciousness, namely 1 moral, 1 resultant and 1 inoperative consciousness. It is combined with 32 psychic factors. The 3 psychic factors, namely Vitak, Vichar and Piti, remain absent with it. The factors available with it are seen as below. Aisaman Chetasika, 13 minus 3, 10. Sobhana Chetasikas, Viratis absent, 25 minus 3, 22. Altogether 32. E. The fifth stage of jhan. The fifth stage of the Mahagat jhan contains 15 types of consciousness. They are the 3 Rupavachar Chittaj and 12 Arupavachar Chittaj. Since in this stage the jhan factor upekha is available, the two illimitables Karuna and Mudita are not found. Vitak and Piti are absent as before. There is also only the combination of 30 psychic factors with it. They are as below: Aisaman Chetsik 13 minus 3 10, Shobhan Chetsika Birati absent 25 minus 5 20, Apamaya absent 30. In this way, it may be summarized as below: 35 psychic factors in the 3 types of consciousness of the first stage of jhana, 34 psychic factors in the 3 types of consciousness of the second stage of jhana, 33 psychic factors in the 3 types of consciousness of the third stage of jhana, 32 psychic factors in the 3 types of consciousness of the fourth stage of jhana, 30 psychic factors in the 3 types of consciousness of the fifth stage of jhana. This is the way of combination of the psychic factors with the Mahagat Chitta.